Just listen to this for a moment. Now, this isn't from some obscure anti-Allied leaflet. No, this is from The Economist, published on December 30th, 1944. Can you believe that? Just as victory in Europe seemed right around the corner, the great Anglo-American alliance was, well, secretly falling apart at the seams.
So today, we're travelling back to 1945, but we're doing it in a very specific way. We're leaving all our hindsight at the door. We're going to experience this incredible year as it actually happened, through the eyes of journalists who were right there on the ground. And what they saw, what they wrote about, wasn't some simple story of triumph. It was a year of victory, absolutely, but one that was just riddled with profound anxiety.
We've broken this down into 4 parts. First, we'll look at the deep cracks that were forming in the Allied coalition. Then, we'll witness the final violent collapse of the Third Reich. After that, we'll walk through the ruins of a defeated Germany. And finally, we'll watch as the victors try to build a new world, even as they were already starting to drift apart themselves.
Right, so let's get into it.